Hello everybody, my name is Nick Belling with Caesarstone, and today we're going to be talking about the 3 products to clean your countertops.
And I'm Denise Butchko with Caesarstone, and where we start, what we hope you do every day at the end of the day is, voila, Windex, a simple wipe on the counter, and you're good to go. It should take care of 90% of the residue of the day, regardless of what you cooked, not cooked, cocktailed, not cocktailed, red wine, whatever. Next.
Like the red wine part. And moving on from there, anything...
Tie into the barkeeper's friend.
Yes,
red
perfect.
wine.
You could go right with that with barkeeper's friend will be your next option. Any kind of metal marks, let's say if you're rubbing your belt up against the counter, got some forks, knives, and so forth, just take powder form barkeeper's friend. You're going to want to put that on a paper towel, spray a little bit of our everyday Windex, mix it up like a paste, and then Mr. Miyagi, wax on, wax off. And from there, you do not want to put any more pressure than what your hand already does, because it is abrasive.
It is abrasive. And if that doesn't work, then soft scrub gel with bleach. So not this bottle, the green bottle. That actually means it's gel, because this, like, I got this at XYZ big box store, and now I've got to go back to a different XYL big box store and get, typically Target, to get the soft scrub gel with bleach. That should take care of almost every cleaning issue that you have. You'd be amazed at the number of warranty calls we get that are actually just cleaning issues. So simple, easy care, stain resistant, heat resistant. Just a little love makes it last a long time.
And I'm not too sure why she doesn't have the right grade bottle, but we won't go there today.
We won't go there.
So keep your counters clean and go Caesarstone.
Yeah.